Don't start a Shopify site in 2018. Now, I love e-commerce. My whole channel is about e-commerce, Shopify, Amazon. But why am I saying not to start a Shopify site in 2018? Well, there's a really good reason. What I mean by this is don't start another crappy dropshipping website. Don't start another crappy website that wholesales a bunch of random junk. If you're going to be starting a site in 2018, it can be on Shopify. In fact, I recommend Shopify. I love Shopify. I love their platform. But don't start another crappy dropshipping website, another site that sells a bunch of random junk. If you're going to start a site in 2018, it needs to be special. It needs to be unique. It needs to have a brand that resonates with people. It needs to be a company that actually adds value to the world. So that's what I mean when I say don't start a Shopify site in 2018. Is it too late in 2018? No. Also, don't start a Shopify site if you're broke. I get so many people that tell me I can't afford the $30 a month for Shopify. Guess what? You're too broke to start a Shopify site. Don't do it. You're too broke to start a company. Don't think of Shopify as this magical thing that's going to make you sales. It's not. It's just a way for you to sell products that your company makes. So if you're really broke and you really still want to sell stuff, maybe start on Amazon. It's a little bit cheaper to get started. And once you get some traffic, go ahead and go with Shopify. But realistically, if you have if you're thinking about starting a company and you're broke, don't do it. Go get a job first. Go make some money. So 2018, it is not too late to make a Shopify site. It's not too late to make some money on there. But don't think you're going to start a store and make some quick, easy cash. It just doesn't work that way. So if you are serious and you're going to make a real quality store, I do have links to Shopify up here and down below. I get a little bit of credit if you use my link, in full honesty. So as a thank you for using either one of my links to sign up for Shopify, I'll give you a free one-on-one 30-minute consultation. So dropshipping as an easy way to make money is kind of dead. Boring, crappy websites. I mean, you can still make money with dropshipping. You can still make money on Shopify, doing this stuff. But think about it this way. The more value you can add to the world, the more value you're going to get in return. Creating your own product and creating something from scratch adds more value to the world, than just connecting two individuals that previously didn't know each other. So that's it for this video. I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. Is it too late to start in 2018? No, just it's too late to start another crappy website. Don't do a crappy website. Don't do it if you're broke. Don't do something that's not adding value to the world. That's it for this video. If you are going to start an online store, I have my free e-commerce success pack up here, which includes a checklist for starting your online store. It includes marketing ideas, everything you need to know to get started. So you can click up there to get that. Subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.